Are you curious about how artificial intelligence can help you earn more money in 2025? The world of AI is evolving at lightning speed, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve, now is the perfect time to learn how these tools can work for you. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking for a side hustle, AI is opening up incredible new opportunities to boost your income and work smarter, not harder. Imagine building stunning websites in minutes or producing high-quality videos with just a few clicks. These AI tools are, honestly, total game changers. They're designed to save you time, automate repetitive tasks, and help you create professional results even if you're not a tech expert. With the right AI tools, you can turn your ideas into income faster than ever before. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of making money with AI? Whether you want to start a new business, grow your current one, or simply earn extra cash on the side, these tools can help you reach your goals. The future of work is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. These 5 tools are set to completely change the game in 2025, making it easier than ever to start earning online. They're not just for techies. Anyone can use them to get ahead. From automating your workflow to finding new ways to monetize your skills, these AI solutions are your ticket to financial freedom. In this video, we're diving deep into the 5 most powerful AI tools that you can start using today to make money online. We'll show you exactly how they work, what makes them unique, and how you can leverage them to maximize your income potential. No matter your background or experience, there's something here for everyone. But wait, there's more. At the end of this video, we've got a special bonus tool that's flying under the radar. It's a hidden gem that could give you an extra edge and help you stand out from the crowd. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So stick around till the very end for a bonus AI tool you've probably never heard of before. Get ready to transform your income and future-proof your career with the power of AI. First up is Flicky AI. If you've ever wished you could turn your ideas into professional-looking videos in just a few minutes, this tool is about to blow your mind. Flicky AI is designed for speed and simplicity, making it perfect for beginners and experienced creators alike. This tool is a game-changer for anyone who wants to create viral videos without breaking a sweat. With just a few clicks, you can transform plain text into dynamic, eye-catching content that's ready to share with the world. No more spending hours editing or worrying about complicated software. Imagine turning your blog posts, articles, or even just random thoughts into engaging videos with AI voices and visuals. Flicky AI automatically matches your script with relevant visuals and lifelike voiceovers, so your message comes alive in a whole new way. It's like having a personal video editor and narrator at your fingertips. You can choose from a massive library of stock footage, images, and music, or even upload your own clips to make your videos truly unique. The customization options are endless, letting you tailor every detail to fit your brand or personal style. Content creators, this is your secret weapon to explode on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Whether you're building your audience or just want to share your story, Flicky AI helps you stand out and grow faster than ever before. Next, we have Durable.co, the AI-powered website builder that's going to make your life so much easier. Freelancers, small business owners, listen up. No more struggling with complicated website builders or spending thousands of dollars on web developers. Durable.co creates a stunning website for you in literally seconds, complete with copywriting and images. It's like magic, but better because it helps you make money. Now let's talk about Pictory AI. If you've ever struggled with turning your lengthy videos into engaging bite-sized content, this tool is about to become your new best friend. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Pictory AI is designed to make your life so much easier. This tool is a must-have for anyone looking to dominate social media. In today's fast-paced digital world, grabbing attention quickly is everything, and short-form videos are the secret weapon for growth and engagement. We all know short-form video is king, right? Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding in popularity, and audiences crave quick, entertaining content that they can consume on the go. But who has time to edit hours of footage? Sifting through endless clips, trimming and adding captions can take forever, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or just starting out. With Pictory AI, you can transform your long videos into viral-worthy clips for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok in minutes. Just upload your video, and the AI automatically finds the best moments, adds captions, and formats everything perfectly for each platform. It's like having a personal video editor working for you 24/7. Imagine freeing up your time to focus on creativity and strategy, while Pictory AI handles the heavy lifting of editing and repurposing your content. E-commerce businesses, this one's for you. Maverick is the AI tool that helps you create personalized video messages that convert like crazy. Imagine sending a personalized thank you video to each customer after they buy from you. Or how about sending a special offer video to someone who abandoned their cart? Maverick makes it easy to build real connections and boost your sales with the power of video. For all my content creators out there, meet Kateb, your new AI writing assistant. Kateb helps you create high-quality, fact-checked content for your blog posts, newsletters, and social media in a flash. No more writer's block or spending hours researching and writing. Kateb does it all for you, so you can focus on what you do best, growing your audience and making money. Alright, you made it to the end. That's a huge achievement, and I'm really glad you stuck around. Now, for the bonus tool I promised you at the start, this is something you don't want to miss. This AI tool is a total game changer for anyone who wants to make passive income online, no matter your experience level. I can't reveal too much here, but let's just say it involves optimizing your content for maximum visibility and engagement, so your work keeps paying off. We're talking about unlocking a whole new level of income while you sleep. Imagine waking up to more earnings every single day. Those are the 5 AI tools that will help you crush it in 2025. Comment below which tool you're going to try first. Which AI tool shocked you the most? Drop a comment below with the name of the tool, and I'll make a full tutorial on it next week.